In this lecture, you are going to learn how to use constraint toolbar for assembly in Catia. First, insert some part for assembly. This is the body of the bench vise. Now insert another part. This is the slider. Just move this slider using manipulation feature. At first, we will use contact constraint to contact this face to this face. Again select contact constraint to contact this face to this face. Now you can see that both the faces contacted via contact constraint. Now move the slider inside the body. Now insert another part. Open screw. Now we will insert this screw into this hole. For that, select coincident constraint. First select the screw. Now select this hole. Zoom a little bit to select that. Here is the center line of this hole. Select it, and now you can see that both the parts get coincident to each other using coincident constraint. Just move the screw a little bit. Again select coincident constraint. Select this face and this face. Now you can see that both the faces get coincident to each other. OK. Insert another part. Select handle. Now we will insert this handle into this hole. Select coincident constraint. Select this center line and this center line to make them coincident. The next constraint is offset constraint. What if we want to adjust this handle into the middle of the screw, the center of the handle to the center of the screw? Select offset constraint. Zoom a little bit. Now select this face of handle and select center line of screw. This constraint properties dialog box will appear. Now you can increase or decrease the offset distance between the selected object. Give -45 mm offset distance. Here you can see the 45 mm offset between selected object. OK. Now we will use angle constraint to rotate the body about the handle. Go and select angle constraint. Select this line and this face. Now increase or decrease the angle of rotation from here. OK. So in this way you can see angle constraint in Catia.